If you see UAE, 90% of the workforce itself is expats. So I think out of that, almost 50% of that is the migrant workers and coming from the Asian population or Eastern Europe countries. But yeah, out of the total 9 million population, the overall migrant worker population is around 2 million. Personally feel they are the biggest contributor to the economy because of two reasons. One, that the local population itself is only 8% or 9% of the total population. And when we are talking about working population, I think it's almost 92% which are expats. And the economy is supported by these migrant workers. Attracting talent is not a big challenge for UAE because of the infrastructure, the quality of living, and the proximity to the Asian countries, let's say India, Pakistan and all. What is difficult is to follow the right process of recruitment. So attracting is not a challenge. You can get 2,000, 3,000 people if you want, but to follow the right protocol. So what we play a vital role, or we work with the government, is to set the right protocol. Now there are penalties which as government has laid down. So if any such evidence has been found, the license of the organization which is recruiting can be confiscated. The trade license can be terminated. You cannot get work permit if you don't follow the protocols. But treatment after landing here is very individualistic compared to business to business. Let's say even in a corporate life, how X company treats their employee versus Y has a differential treatment. But Emirati people are very adaptive, and they have a very large vision to make the process has to be much more attractive for attracting good talent. And if you see on the other side of the table, the government is investing a lot into artificial intelligence, research, science, space. So the entire infrastructure and the openness of the country has been created, so which can attract more talent from the other countries.